In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp web call option not available. First thing you want to do is check for browser update. So click on three dots, navigate to the option settings, click on about Chrome. Now if any updates are available, just update it. Next thing you want to do is check your browser permission. For that, click on this icon given at the top left. Then make sure you have enabled for these options, camera and microphone. If it's already enabled, disable it, wait for some time and again enable it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next, check whether you are connected to any VPN or proxies. For that, go to site settings. Now head over to the option extension. If you are connected to any VPN or extension, disable it. Likewise, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Lastly, keep in mind that WhatsApp may roll out new features gradually. Even if your browser and app are fully updated, the call option may not be available for every account immediately. If that's the case, you'll need to wait until WhatsApp enables the feature for your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.